When my heart is overwhelmed and the storm surrounds me deep, you whisper, I will fight for you. My child, just rest and breathe. The Lord will fight for me. I will be still. Your peace is